Follow your passion and you'll never work a single day in your life. You've probably heard this given as an advice many times. There's just one small, or rather large issue with it, is that it doesn't work if your goal is to have a successful and financially abundant career. You want to make 10K, 20K, or 50K per month. Let me ask you this. When you hear the word passion, how does it make you feel? You get this nice and wonderful feeling, a sense of purpose and hope. But here's the harsh truth about becoming successful in life. If you want to make 10K, 20K, or even 50K per month. And it doesn't matter if you're an entrepreneur or you work an office job, it applies the same way. Before you can enjoy the fruits of your labor, you have to go through hardships and frustrations to become an elite in your field. And oftentimes, that means you have to work at something for an extended period of time without any kind of positive reinforcement. Metaphorically speaking, your passion is like a fire, and the sacrifices that you have to go through to succeed are extremely harsh weather conditions. And this is exactly why passion alone is not enough to sustain a successful career. The fire that is your passion is going to be put out by extremely harsh conditions that you have to go through before you can reach your dream destinations, if you don't leverage other things to safeguard your passion. Look, I don't believe in being negative and discourage people from pursuing their goals. So I'm gonna give a solution to your passion problem. Enter Ikigai, which is a Japanese word that roughly translates to reason to live. It's a work-life philosophy that'll help you live a prosperous and successful life if you get all four of its components right. The first component of Ikigai is passion, aka do what you love. Or at the bare minimum, bring it down a notch, do what you enjoy. Passion alone is not enough, but if you have zero passion or interest for what you're doing, you're not going to succeed because it's just miserable to be doing something that you don't want to be doing. For me personally, I had the academic abilities and personality to go to law school and become a lawyer, but I decided I didn't enjoy the day-to-day work and I didn't want to be stuck doing that for the next 40 years. When you pick a career, make sure it's something that you're passionate enough to stick to for a while, because with experience and consistency comes bigger paychecks. The second component of Ikigai is competency, or what you're good at. When I was choosing a career, I decided to go into data analytics because I was good at quantitative reasoning and logic, and I enjoy using those skills to solve business problems. Based on my skill set, I knew this was something I could be really good at, and since then, it's paid off quite well for myself. When you pick a career, you need to make sure it aligns with what you're good at. This is a hot take, but doubling down on your strength is 100 times better than trying to improve on your weaknesses. Don't become a jack of all trades. Become a specialist and get paid well for your expertise. The third component of Ikigai is practicality, or what you can be paid for. I love basketball, but I was never athletic enough to make it a D1, let alone the NBA. It would be awesome to be a professional athlete, but realistically speaking, the worst NBA player is better than 99.9% of the population at basketball, which means most people watching this video won't make it as a professional athlete. Plus, the minute you turn a hobby or passion into a career, you stop enjoying it as much because now it's something that you have to do to survive rather than something that you do for fun or as an escape. So when you pick a career, make sure you be practical and pick something that you have a decent chance at succeeding. The fourth component of Ikigai is demand, or what the world needs. This is a hard pill for a lot of people to swallow, but companies and consumers don't care about you as a person, they don't care about your goals or aspirations, they care about what's in it for them. So if you want to get rich and become successful, you need to provide a service or a product that solves a problem so that people will willingly pay you for making their problem go away. For me personally, that path has been working in data analytics. Now I make well above the median household income as an individual in my city. And I made a completely free step-by-step video on how to break into data analytics as a beginner, which I'll link in the description. So make sure you check it out if this is a career that you're interested in. Alright, that's it for today's video. To sum up, to become successful and financially abundant, passion alone is not enough. You also need to do something that you're good at and provide a product or service that solves an actual problem so people will happily pay you for it. If you enjoy content on building a successful career and living a happier and more fulfilling life, make sure you subscribe to my channel and sign up for my newsletter, link in the description below. All right, y'all, until next time, this is your friend Oliver signing off. Take care.